For prospective students at IUT, welcome to the 2026 IUT Entrance Examination. We prepared this video to guide you through the written examination procedure. The preparation guide will begin. You should bring your identification card or passport with yourself. Things you must keep in mind. SOCIE, contract. You will have the exams on 2 subjects, mathematics, 21 questions, and physics, 9 questions for an hour. There will be no extra time for marking answers on the OMR card, answer sheet, and you should mark the answers within the given time. There is only one correct answer per each question. No penalty point is applied to an incorrect answer. There will be no break time during the exam. You are not allowed to leave the exam hall during the exam. Things you must obey before, during, and after the exam. You must follow every instruction given by the exam headquarters and proctors. Only use the pen given by INHA University. Black pen for OMR, red pen for exam and scratch paper. Do not engage in any form of cheating, misbehavior, or suspicious behaviors. Do not write any notes on your hand or personal belongings, including luggage tags. Any violations will be considered cheating. If caught cheating, you will be disqualified from all exams and will be restricted from applying again in the future. Any portable electronic devices, such as smartphone, watch, calculator, tablet PC, are not allowed to bring into the exam hall. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Never call the proctor loudly for any reason. Once the exam starts, the exam paper and OMR card shall not be replaced. You cannot use the toilet during the exam. When the proctor says time is up, stop and raise your both hands on your head. You can see the actual OMR answer sheet for SOCIE applicants on this slide. And I will explain how you should fill in the information and answers. You can find your application number on the desk label. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. As I have mentioned on the previous slide, you should fill in all the entries on the left side of OMR answer sheet. Surname, given name, department, application number. For example, for surname, you can write Dean. For given name, James, department, SOCIE, test type, B, application number 10235. After you write your application number, you should mark the numbers below accordingly. And below the application part, there are 2 boxes saying absence from examination and proctor signature. You should not mark there. Please leave them empty. On the right side of the OMR answer sheet, you should mark the answers for the questions from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark rest of the answer sheet. More information about OMR card. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. Write down on your OMR card the same type as that of your examination paper so that your OMR card and your examination paper will be matched for each other as a pair. Fill out the left side of OMR card with your personal information, such as your sir and given name, registration number, and the department name SOCIE you apply for. You must mark only one answer choice per each question on the OMR card. If you need correction tape, raise your hand. Never call the proctor. Dear students, from now on, I'll be explaining to you how to use your answer sheet and how to remove 4 ceilings from your examination paper. As you can see, you have the answer sheet, examination paper, and 2 pens, black and red. With a black pen, fill out the left part of your answer sheet, surname, given name, and department. You can find your test type on the upper left part of your examination paper. In my case, it is A type. So, I will mark letter A. Then, you should write your application number here. Do not write any alphabet letters like S or B. Just write numbers. Then, you have to fill it accordingly. During the exam, you should transfer your answers from the examination paper to answer sheet. Make sure that you will not be given any extra time to transfer your answers, so you should do it during the given time. And now with a black pen, and make sure to fill out the down part of your examination paper right here. And now with a red pen, we will remove the 4 ceilings in the examination paper. You will take a pen and slide it very, very fast. Now you are done. You can start your examination. Thank you for watching this video. Do your best and good luck on your exams.